Start right now. So, hello traders. We are today we're going to be looking at USD Canadian dollars. Okay, so it's a bullet chart, and if we are on a daily chart now, you can see what's happening. The interesting thing is, as a price action trader, you always watch out for candlesticks formation, the kind of candlestick. So, if you can see, you can look at the chart very well. The four previous candles, we can see that there is an inside pin bar on this. Okay, so the inside pin bar is actually a very strong level that can tell us how bullish the market can still continue. We can see an inside pin bar on this. So very interesting. We are looking at it on this way and see how it can be. Okay, so um, before that, we look at the trend. We can see that the trend is bullish. So we have such a candlestick setups on it. Okay, so we are dealing with a bullish trend. It tells us that the market is actually bullish on this higher time frame. So today candlestick just had a retracement, and after I believe it hit a certain support level on a lower time frame, it will actually start going on. So it will give us an opportunity to buy. So I'll start buying probably tomorrow when the London market is about to be closed at this time that I'm speaking, when the London market opens again. So this gives us that we're dealing with a bullish movement and we're going to a lower time frame to find our entry. So we're doing a top-down analysis. So let's go to 4 hour time frame. You can see what is going on. It says okay, so you can see a 4 hour time frame there's a pullback in the market. So we can draw some psychological level on this chart and see where we can find as a support level for this. So you can see this is a support level. This is another support level that I can draw out on this chart on this 4 hour time frames. And actually, we can observe that that particular level that the market retraces from is a minor resistance. So we'll try to see it how it does on a lower time frame. So the trend continue on a 4 hours in a short bullish trend after hitting the support level at this particular price level of 1.39827. Then the market is now draw back to currently at 1. Uh, for 1.4027. It made it to be a support level, and it's also respecting the trend line, which is around the trend line, which is around 1.4046. So it's also a zone, so we can adjust this to be here, and we can see that that's where the support level is, and that's 1.40342. So very strong market level on USD Canadian dollar. So let's go to 1 hour time frame and see what we can see on 1 hour time frame. So the market is pretty bullish as I'm saying, but we are it's good to look at this bullish after a pullback because it has been steadily be on a bullish movement. So if you look at this, you can see that we have a we can you can see that we have a reversal candle on a 1 hour time frame. That's an hammer on respecting this support level and also the the trend line levels on this chart. So we can see that this formation is also in respect of the candlesticks movement, and we can see that the price is going to pull up if we see bullish engulfing, if particularly this candlestick close as bullish candle, and we'll be seeing the market trading back up to 1.40757, and a break above this level can give us more view to see where the market is going into. So very interesting we're seeing this movement materializing. So we'll just wait to see, but this is a good entry for the market. A good entry for the market. We can see a bullish setup coming up, building up already. So I'll just say let's wait and see when the bullish candle closes. Then we have our entry at 1.40539. So at that price level, we're very sure that the market will continue going up and probably break the minor support of 1.40788. So very interesting. We are having a very bullish movement on USD card. So we have other charts we're going to be looking at. We have the Bitcoin chart trading down, and we have the chart also continue with a bullish movement, and we're going to be looking at that also this week. And that's the chart we'll be watching for more trade, more trade setup. So very, very, very good setup on this chart. We see a bullish movement. So after an entry here, a risk to reward ratio will be given. Okay, risk to reward for long position. You can see that we have our long position here, and we put target above that level, and our stop loss actually should be below this candlestick straight down. So so you see we have a good risk to reward ratio from projections that we have a very good to reward ratio if we end up entering the price at 1.40539 as our entry price, and our stop loss at 1.4026 as a stop loss. So very interesting that we have this kind of setup in the market, and the market is actually uh, having a big setup on this level, and that is an interesting level. Looking at it from higher time frame, that it has gathered a strong momentum for a bullish movement. So thank you, and see you some other trading time on another chart. Bye for now.